Using wireless mics with the HoloLens2. Each set should come with 2 wireless microphones and 1 receiver. To switch your mics on, simply hold down the Rode button until you see the blue light appear on the top of your device. Tap the microphone and check the soundbar to see if the mic is working. The screen of your receiver demonstrates the quality of sound received and your mic's battery health. When connecting your mics to the HoloLens, make sure you use a USB-C to USB-C cable. Simply connect one end of the cable to the USB-C port on the receiver and the other end to the HoloLens charging port. Switch on the HoloLens and go to your start screen. Then open the Settings tab and click the System button. Once on this page, select Sound from the list on the left. Then click Manage Sound Devices. Listed on the top of this page are your output devices. Leave your default device as the HoloLens speaker. Below are your input devices. Option 1 is to disable the HoloLens internal mic so that the wireless mic becomes the default device. Option 2 is to enable both mics but set your wireless mic as the default communications device as shown here. If option 1 does not work, try option 2 or vice versa. Here is a sound test using the HoloLens internal microphone.
Amber, can you tell me why you came into hospital today?
Yeah, I just had some pain in my chest, so I thought I should come in.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit?
Now we will attach the Rode Wireless Go mics.
I'm Dr. Bartholomew.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, what's your name?
Amber.
Hi, Amber. I'm here to take a history from you. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Could you start by telling me why you came into hospital today?
Yeah, I just started having some pain in my chest, and so I thought I should probably come into hospital.
Okay.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Check out our YouTube channel for more healthcare related HoloLens videos.